Hello, in this video we will install a tool for doing the shortcut. Okay, we will do some shortcut like auto import or auto generate the getter and setter or the constructor and many more. Alright, to install a tool or a plugin for the Visual Studio Code or VS Code, you open the tool and click on the icon extension on the left side panel here, and then on the search bar you search the TypeScript space toolbox, and you see here the icon TS with a cross line icon here. You can click on the button install. After you install, we have the tool, a welcome page for the tool like this. And now to use the tool, for example, I open the person file .ts here and click on the search bar on the top here, and in here when you want to do a shortcut command, you type an arrow symbol like this, and then TypeScript colon, and you can see a list of commands that TypeScript plugins provides. The first is optimize import, add import. So try to add import, okay? And it will show you a list of files that we want to import. For example, I will choose the person, and you see it automatically add a person file import for this file. So so that we don't need to type into here. And maybe you want to generate the getter and setter for the field for the person. We can also do that. TypeScript colon and getter and setter, generate all the getter and setter like this. Alright, maybe move the pointer inside the class and then do that again. Alright, and you see a list of methods are automatically generated here. Alright, and arrow symbol first and the TypeScript. So you see we have many commands that the plugin provides. Okay. Alright, in this video I just show you to install the plugin and some common command that we can use for as a shortcut. Okay, so this is a short video for you, and that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.